So dear students, good evening. We are going to start the class. Now we are going to learn worksheet 15. Still some students are attending the class.
Sir, I have.
Yes.
Can you see my video?
Can you? Okay. Can you see the screen?
Sir, are you seeing myself?
Okay. Let's see. Afif, it's okay. Now. So worksheet 15, 2 times as useful. Dear students, some words are very useful, you know. They have more than one meaning. Okay, the words in the box are name of body parts, but they have other meanings. For example, so dear students, the word teeth refers to the body part, but when we use it in the sentence, it looks as the teeth of a comb. It does not indicate our body part, right? It indicates the part of a comb. Okay. So here in your book, in worksheet 15, page number 27, you will get a box. In the box, there are some words, and after the box, you will get some fill in the blanks, and we have completed it. And at this moment, you will have to complete, and you will have to be very careful using capitalization. So here there is no capitalization. Why? Because these are not sentences, these are phrases, and there is a difference between phrase and sentences, because in a sentence there must be a subject and a finite verb, but in a phrase there must not be any subject or any finite verb. So as there is no finite verb here, these are only the sum total of words. This is why these are phrases, and that's why there is no capitalization. So T must not be capital. Understood? So these are the answers. Write down in your copy quickly. And after completing, just you can show or you can raise your hand so that I can understand that you have understood. The teeth of a comb, and you must not use any full stop after comb. So there is no matter of using punctuation. Okay, the teeth of a comb, the mouth of a river, the head of a family, the arms of a chair, because there are two arms, the legs of a table, the hands of a clock, the neck of a bottle, the eye. So dear students, 6 number, the eye of a needle. Number 6, look at the notice board. The eye of a needle. Shucher matha, right? So here it will be D. Done. The heel of a shoe, the nose of a plane, the tongue of a bell. So write down it. Shanjid, after completing, raise your hand so that I can understand that you have written. So write down. Saif is still writing. Farhan Shariar. Okay, hands down. Saif Ahmed, write properly, dear. Write quickly. And after writing down, you can have a snap here, right? You can have a screenshot. You can have picture. After writing, you can have picture so that you can write down, you can learn it later. Okay, dear students, we are going to the next slide. Here, exercise B, fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. The box has been given in your textbook, page number 27. And now, here it is the same case. This is not any sentence. These are the phrases. A slice of bread. This is not a sentence. This is a phrase. That's why there is no full stop. There is no capitalization. There is no subject here. So as there is no subject, there is no verb. So these are not sentences. These are phrases. Dear students, remember it again. If it is not a sentence, we are not going to use any full stop, or the first letter must not be any capital letter. Okay, Atik is 10 minutes or 12 minutes left. Late. Saif Al Mahmoud, completed quickly. Shanjid Ahmed. Sadin. A slice of bread, a pinch of salt, a ray of light, a piece of paper, a pair of socks. You know the meaning of socks. Moja, right? Short. Okay. Then a cake of soap. It doesn't mean any cake. It means a piece. A gust of wind. Domka hawa. Right? A grain of rice. A blade of grass. And a coil of rope. These are very, very important, dear students. So learn it very attentively. Yes, Shanjit has completed. Okay, dear students. Now we are going to the next one. Exercise C. Where could you find the following people? These are the people that we meet in different places. So as we meet in different places, Now we are going to learn who are those people and where they are found. Okay? Nurse. So a nurse is found in a hospital. A convict is found in a prison. Prisoner, right? A person who has made something, who has committed something wrong and who has been arrested and who has been given jail. So he is in prison and that very person is convict. Priest. Priest is found in a church, right? Then judge. A judge is found in a court. Typist. Typist is found in office. King. King is found in the palace. Why the palace? Because palace in our country only one palace is found. So scientist. Scientist is found in laboratory. So we are just writing down the words where we found, where we can find. Artist. So dear students, artist is found in a studio. Cook in a kitchen. Porter in airport, right? And a teacher in a school. Nun, convent. So dear students, Shanjit, is it done? Okay, so write it quickly. Dear students, is it done? Okay, now. So these are the exercise D. The following is a list of places where people work. These are the specific places where specific persons are found to work. So what are those specific places? The artist paints at his easel. Easel is a place where an artist is found to draw the picture or paint his picture. And then the clerk works at his office. So dear students, here just write down T will be capital here. The clerk, the So write down number 2. It would be D dot. Number 3, D dot. Number 4, D dot. So T is capitalized here. So write down. Here DT means the clerk works at his office, because the clerk works at his desk. This is assertive sentence. And moreover, this is sentence. This is not phrases. So as this is sentence, we must use capitalized. And the first one has been shown here. The artist paints at his easel. Here T is capital So according to that, you will have to use question number 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the first letters will be capital. Is it done? Okay. Afif Hussain, switch on your video. You can switch on your video so that I can see. Afif. Okay, Farhan Shariar. Have you done? Is it okay? If it is done, just raise your hand. Yes, sir, it is done. Okay, 5 students have completed successfully. 5. Okay, 6, 7, 17, 27. Okay, good. 27 students, almost all. Okay, good. Now, next. The blacksmith works at his anvil. Where the blacksmith works, that is called anvil. The librarian works in the library. So dear students, you can see these are all sentences. That's why it would be capitalized. Okay, and 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here T would be capital, T would be capital, this would be capital. Why? Because these are sentences. In a sentence, the first letter must be capital. So dear students, just fill in the blanks. You can also write down, if it is very difficult to write the full sentences, you can write down only the words which will be applicable in fill in the blanks. Now you can write down only the answers. The blacksmith works at his anvil. The librarian works in the library. The stoker attends to a furnace. Stoker means the person who hits that very iron, okay, beside a furnace. The carpenter works at his bench. A carpenter works at his bench to complete the work. And the sentry, you know it, right? The sentry works at his post. Okay, 38 students have completed successfully exercise D. So let's move to the another one. Exercise E. The names of the animals that occupy the following homes. So this is a matter of the animals. At the same time, this is first one is the home and second one is the animal for which the home has been made. Farhan Shariar, can you understand? Okay. Sly. Sly is the home of pig. Dear students, can you see the screen? Hello? Can you see the screen? Dear students, here I'm again telling. Canal is for dog, den is for lion, web is for spider, fold is for sheep, okay? Burrow is for rabbit, eyrie is for eagle, hive is for bee, stable is for horse, nest for bird, coop for hen, bear for cow, and lair for bear. Dear, can you listen? Okay, good. So write down.
Sir, bye bye. Sir, আপনার টাইল তো ফুল মিউট করা ছিল।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
মিউট করে স্যার। আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার। বাই, গুড লাক। আপনার মিউট করা ছিল তখন আমরা কিছু শুনতে পাইনি।
ইয়েস স্যার।
স্যার, আপনারটা মিউট করা ছিল এতক্ষণ আমরা কিছু শুনতে পাইনি। শুনতে পাইনি।
Okay, dear students.
শুনতে পাইনি।
মিউট করে স্যারের কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
Okay.
সবাই
Dear
মিউট করে
students,
স্যারের কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
you can
I write in the book.
see here. We can see if you want to see. This is the very beginning.
Sir, HW কি?
HW.
Sir. Sir,
Yes,
I write
here.
in the book. Any problem?
Complete the worksheet in your copy. Learn the worksheet very
Sir, I
attentively.
write in the book. Any problem? Sir, I write in the book. Any problem?
No, write in your copy. Okay, dear.
Sir, I